Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by securing an internet number that accepts incoming voice calls. SMS-only numbers often fail. Once obtained, make sure WhatsApp is installed and your device is online. Next, open WhatsApp and begin registration. Enter the internet number with the correct country code, then request verification. Do this now so the service can send a code or place a verification call. Do not skip confirming incoming voice capability with your provider before continuing. Once WhatsApp cannot deliver an SMS, choose the call option. WhatsApp will place an automated voice call with the code. Make sure your VoIP client is running and configured to accept incoming PSTN calls routed to the internet number. If your provider supports SIP, enable call forwarding to your app and test that automated messages and touch tones, DTMF, are audible. If you hear the code, write it down immediately. These calls are short, so be ready to enter the digits quickly. After hearing the verification code, type it into WhatsApp to complete activation, and then set up two-step verification for security. Once done, restore or set up your profile and backups. If the call never comes, confirm your VoIP provider actually accepts incoming PSTN voice calls, check that your SIP client is registered, and ensure no firewall or NAT is blocking RTP audio. As a final fallback, try a different reputable internet number provider that explicitly supports.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.